Hi, my name is Adam Thomas from Balancing Touch Reflexology, and today I want to show you 3 different foot baths that I found and experienced in Japan. So let's go take a look at that. So this first foot bath is kind of out in the middle of nowhere, out behind, sort of off to the side of the parking lot of a farmer's market type thing. And this is really cool because it's absolutely free. Free to use for everybody. And it's great. You slip off your shoes and socks, and they have little cubbies that you can keep them in. And then, you're brought over to a place that you rinse your feet off, so make sure that it, stays nice and clean before you, dip your feet into the pool. And the cool thing about the pool is they bring in the water from a local onsen, which is like a local hot spring. Another great thing about it too is they've put these little bubbles in, this little air channel that stimulates your feet, and so that was really nice. And it's also neat too that you're technically sitting just off to the side of a parking lot, but the way that they have it all, made up, it looks like you're in the middle of nowhere. So that was a really nice experience. This next one, unfortunately, it was closed for maintenance, but usually what they have is the water. You can kind of see the tile, the color difference in the tile, and that's where the water goes up to. And it's nice and warm, and they have yuzu fruit, which is kind of like a cross between an orange and a lemon, and it basically it floats in there with your feet. So afterwards, you get a nice aroma of yuzu fruit on your feet. So this is a little bonus I wanted to throw in for you because it was a bonus for me. And this is something I did last year. It was at a little restaurant where they sold shaved ice. And there was this little creek that ran by, and it was not very deep at all, and that was a place that you could actually soak your feet in and enjoy and sort of cool down during the summer while eating the shaved ice. And so this was a really cool experience, and places like this exist all over Japan. So this one is Dr. Fish, it's called, and it's hilarious because there was this robot that explained how it works and how much it costs. So yeah, very Japanese, but also very informative. I was a little bit reluctant to do this one because I do have ticklish feet, but my kids were along, and so they went in, and of course they were saying it was ticklish, so I was a little bit even more apprehensive to try it, but I was there and paid for it, so here we go. And so I put my feet in, and right away the fish swam over, and they started to, get all the, dry skin or any type of impurities off my feet. And it wasn't a ticklish feeling, what I was expecting. It was actually more of like, the only way I can explain it is kind of like a low voltage kind of shock feeling. So, but not enough to be painful or anything. Also, look at the difference between kids' feet and adults' feet. As soon as I put my feet in, they all come to me, but my kids, not so much. So at the end also, it felt like I'd actually had a foot massage, which was very interesting. So yeah, if you ever run into one of these pools, give it a try. So there you go, just 20 minutes close by to where I'm staying in Japan, I can find and experience 3 different ways to treat my feet, right? So it's kind of cool. I also was looking online too, and they actually have foot bath like cafes where you can sit there and have a nice lunch and while your feet soak, and you can feel really great that way. So anyway, wanted to share that with you. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe to it, and if you hit that little bell button, it'll let you know when I have something new coming out. Until then, I'm Adam Thomas in Japan and exploring things that are really great for your feet. Anyway, take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.